Hey y'all, it's Meso baby. Welcome to my kitchen today. I'm so happy that you came by to see me. So happy that I'm gonna cook something for you. And I'm gonna show you how to do it too. That's the best part. It's gonna be quick, simple, easy, and delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. Look what we've got here, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful fruit. These strawberries are beautiful. Got pineapple here. I've got some bananas, but I don't have them on this table. Wonder what we're gonna make. All right, we'll see that in just a moment. Here I have some strawberries, and I have 2 eggs here, and I've got some vanilla flavoring, and I've got some sugar and some vanilla wafers. I've got some cornstarch, some milk, and a pineapple. So let's take a look and see what can we do with all of this goodness here. Okay, I'm gonna begin by cracking these 2 eggs. And I'm gonna get them down in my bowl. And when I do, I'm gonna whip them up. I'm just gonna take them and blend them together well so they all come together. I have this waiting pot with my butter that is melted, and I'm putting sugar in. And I'm gonna just mix this, combine this really well. The heat is on a medium to medium high. And I'm gonna bring all this together. So I just put in some baking soda. I'm putting in milk here. And I'm putting in those 2 eggs that you saw me crack and whip up. Now I'm gonna just spend a little time here. I've got my heat up to a medium high, and I am just whisking this to make sure that it is all very well combined. And after about 5 minutes, it's gonna come to a boil. Now here I have mine to a rolling boil because I'm trying to move quickly. But if you're not, if you're new to making puddings, then don't bring yours to such a rolling boil. Just keep yours down a little bit. This is what it looks like after mine has completed cooking, and I'm putting in vanilla flavoring and a little bit of lemon flavoring, and I'm just still whisking. Now I've already turned my heat off before I put in the flavorings. Now let's take a look at what I've got here. Beautiful, beautiful. So inside this casserole dish, I am going to go ahead and get some cookies down in the bottom. Now we like a lot of cookies in our puddings, and so I'm going to use a good fair amount. And then I'm coming right back, and I'm putting down this layer of beautiful red strawberries. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. And this is very similar to banana pudding in the way that you make it, but it's different in that it's sweet and it has a little bit of tartness. Really, really good. I'm getting down some bananas. You know, this is a beautiful dish to serve at Christmas time with all the red, and it's just gorgeous and so delicious. I'm putting in my pineapples, and this is that pudding that we just made. So now I'm going to pour the pudding over this strawberries, pineapple, and bananas and cookies. I'm just going to pour a third of it in there. And then I'm coming right back with some cookies, and I'm going to get a fair amount of cookies down because, as I said, I like a lot of cookies. If you like more fruit than cookies, then do that. Put in more fruit. If you like more cookies than fruit, then put in more fruit. I like both of them about the same, so I put in about the same. Lots of cookies and a lot of fruit, honey. I'm going to do it. I want to do it right. So you just have your strawberries that are sliced up, and you just put them all the way around the sides after you've put it in the middle. Now you just put it inside to make it look really pretty from the side of the dish. Let me fit this in here now. Okay, I'm coming back still with the strawberries. Oh man. Now this smells good already, but that hot pudding is sort of cooking or heating through these cookies and that fruit. Smells good already. So let me get one more in here. All right, very, very good. So just let me even up my cookies because got to make sure I got enough. Now I'm back with the pineapple, and I'm going again with the pineapple all around. And then, and I can hardly wait. Then I'm coming right back again with the bananas, and I'm just gonna cover this next layer. Is gonna be covered with bananas. Y'all, can y'all smell this? Ooh, this hot pudding is actually sort of cooking this pudding already, and I can smell it just like it's in the oven because of the pudding being so hot. Okay, so then I'm coming back with strawberries and get them all over the top. And I've got this bowl just about full. This cooking dish is just about full. Can't get very much more in here. Hey guys, don't worry about the recipe and how much. You go to my in the description box and click on the link. It'll take you right to my website to get a free printable recipe. So you just go right over there and print it out, and it won't cost you a thing. I'm coming back with the last amount of my pudding. So I'll put that right on the top, and then I am going to put this in a 325 degree oven. It's already preheated. I'm going to let it stay in there for 12 minutes, and I'm getting it right out, and I'm going to put it in a bowl. Now, I have put on top of this some cold Cool Whip. Well, it's not Cool Whip, but it's just whipped topping. Any kind will do. And I just decorated it a little bit. I'm holding this big guy to the side because I'm going to eat him later on tonight for a snack. I'm going to taste it now, if you all will allow me to. Do you need me to taste this, or can you tell that it's good? I better give it a taste. Look there, y'all. Look. Oh, look at all that red and all those colors. Perfect for Christmas. Perfect for any holiday, any Sunday. Wonderful for Easter. Wonderful for in the springtime. You can't go wrong with this pudding. So I'm going to ask you what this is. It's a strawberry banana pineapple pudding. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Can you just almost taste it, guys? You know the old saying, the proof is in the pudding? Well, this time, Meso means it. The proof is in this pudding. It's the bomb. Come on, show this. Oh, I keep getting it going straight to my mouth. I'm intending to put it in front of the camera so you guys can see it and enjoy it and eat it with me. But I keep going. Come on to the camera. Oh, oh guys, thank you for coming by today to check on me to see what I was doing. Now, you knew that I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. For those of you that are already subscribed to me, I want to thank you. And for those who have not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell until parentheses come around the bell. Now that way you will be notified every time I put up a new video. If you like my videos, share them wherever you're active on social media. I'd like for you to give me a big thumbs up. That'll help me move right along in the search engine. And leave me some comments. I love hearing from you. I read each and every one of them. I used to have time to answer each and every one. I can't do that anymore, but I read every one of them, and I love them so much. Guys, you know what? There are thousands of really good cooks and very entertaining cooks right here on YouTube. But I consider myself blessed, and I appreciate each time that you come and spend some time with me. You don't have to do it, and I appreciate you when you bless me by looking at my videos. You know what, guys, I ask for you to practice self-help. Love yourself. That way you'll be better able to love somebody else. And I'll tell you one easy, quick, and good way to share your love with other people. Share your love by sharing your food. That's what I do. I come on here every day and share these wonderful old family recipes with you guys. That's the way I share my love. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time.